with permissions.
So then, whom I have to contact to?
Do you want to speak to him?
No, but I am supposed to enter and check. I am not supposed to talk with anyone. Otherwise, I'll burn this file. What do you want me to do? Why you all applying now?
I don't know. See, I don't know this. I'm just telling you what I've been told.
You cannot stop me from entering. I have every right. See, I am on duty. And I have not come as a team. I have your file with me.
The application for
Borewell. So I have to check the location. You cannot stop me. Otherwise, you don't apply now. For what you are applying and wasting my time? तुम्ही परमिशन अप्लाय करताना तुम्ही आमकां कशें स्टॉप करूं? माझे काम म्हाका कशें पडलें न्हू. तूं फाल्यां तर आतां TCPक अप्लाय करता. TCPचो मनीस तर येयलो हांगा कन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा. तुम्ही अप्लाय करीत आसा TCPचो मनीस तुमचे स्टॉप करपाक जायना आमकां. पळय तुमचे हें आसा नाल्यार दुसरे फावटी ह्या लावाक्साची जर फायल येयली ऑफिसार ब्लॅक लिस्टार घालतले हांव. आमी फायलीच घेवची ना तुमच्यो.
अप्लाय करू ना म्हणटा मॅडम.
ही कोणाची फायल?
हॅलो
ही कोणाची फायल?
लेटर नको मॅडम. हा
वर नंबर
ऑलरेडी बोर्ड जाय इलिगली मारला.
ते कितें जाता म्हाका खबर ना. हांव विचारता ही कोणाची सायन कोण? गोवर्धनाची सायन आसा. हॅलो. You have applied for borewell, no? And in Water Resource Department, MAPSA, inward number and all I have over here, your entire file. So I have come for inspection.
Borewell we never applied, madam.
I have with me the form with the inward copy. Everything is there. Your site engineer can have a look. And your signature is there. See, that I am not interested. You cannot stop me from entering. Otherwise, I'll have to call the cops. You tell me what you want me to do. You have applied. This is your signature over here. Otherwise, I can show the file to your site engineer. I have not come on my own over here.
But agreed, madam. But we have come there. You have rejected our file.
I have not rejected your file. I have told you to obtain NOC from the village panchayat. See, if you are doing like this, no, all Lavaks projects will put on the blacklist. So you think twice before you talk.
Madam, we are not, insulted you at all, madam.
No, but you have only applied, no.
But I think, when we had come to the office, the file.
See, you don't talk to me now. I will report you. If you are not allowing me to enter, you face the consequences. And all other projects in Aldona, you all have 2 projects. One in MAPSA. Everything I will put on the blacklist and we'll do regular inspections. You decide for your own self. You are the proprietor of Lava. So you are responsible for all the projects. So you think twice. 2-3 files have come to us. See, we are not calling you all are applying. So whenever we can come for inspection, there is nothing like that. So you have applied. So we have come.
Okay, can I talk to my engineer?
Yeah, talk.
Madam, only you can enter.
Yeah, I will take my government stuff. You're.
आम्ही येऊ मॅडम.
तो म्हणटा ओनली आम्ही म्हणटा हांव WRD.
तो या हा न्हू तेणेन दिला म्हणटू तो नाका येवं. निवटाक घे न्हू.
No, but there is a complaint also. So that also is. सांग रे बाबा.
ना तशें करून कितें फायदो आतां.
ते दाखवते ना तुका मॅडम.
तें दाखोवचो ना मॅडम. हांव तुका 100% सांगता.
They are taking everybody for a ride. They will take you also for a ride now. Last time when there was site inspection, they locked the doors and all ran away from it.
सर आम्ही ते कामोर्ले सायडीर येयले न्हू तुवें सांगलेली न्ही म्हाका ते सर खूब त्रास करता ते आर नॉट इवन अलायन टू एंटर and I put all Lavas projects under the blacklist. Now he's telling me only I can enter only I can enter inside. Then they are not allowing that Govt Fernandez and all to enter. What? Security has taken the fact when I told him I must come on my own, you have applied. I told him, I said I'll put all the Lavas projects, I said in Aldona, Mapra, everything I'll file a report, I said. Then he talked to his manager and said only you can enter inside the property.
बंद करता हाँ
Square meter.